our memory verse, we have a dance for this. So I'll just teach the actions for the dance. So yung action for therefore, therefore if anyone, we just point at a lot of people kumare. Therefore if anyone, okay? So can you repeat the action with me? Like yan, thank you. So therefore if anyone is in Christ, di ba? We know Jesus Christ like this. If anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. Yung new parang may bagong plant, di ba? Yung bagong plant. And then creation is like this. But God formed the world,
I
created.
can't reach.
Ang taas ng plant ni Jake. So, ulit, therefore, if anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation, di ba? God formed the world, new creation, no? So, the old has passed away. Parang tinatapo mo na sa likod kasi old, nag-pass away na. And then, behold, the new has come.
I need to put this very nicely.
hindi siya umiyak ha. Behold, parang may shiny. Tapos the new has come. Okay? The 2 Corinthians 5:17.
I need to drink water.
Okay? But there is a song with this so that you will get to memorize it quicker. Okay? So, are we ready to dance with the song? Yun lang din yung actions. Okay. Sige, let's try.
Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. The old has passed away, behold, the new has come. Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. The old has passed away, behold,